Alright, Seth is going to be doing a
Yeah,
jump
yeah.
throw. Preparing. Launches the throw. Bounces 2 times. Does another one. Bounces 1.5 times. Alright, he's got his final one. See his form. Nice form. Bounces 0 times.
It's still cool though.
Don't worry. This one's gonna save it all.
He's picking up another shell or rock to redeem himself. He bounces it approximately 2-3 times.
This one's the mother.
Gets another one.
To bring it home?
Shape.
Yeah.
Let's see what he can do with it. Alright, nice form. Makes one sideways bounce.
Seth, this one right here.
Got it.
Alright, he picks up another rock after being directed by his sister. And he throws it. Oh, he moves it back. Oh, he gets a running start. He pitches it. And it bounces 3 times.
Yeah. We're going for a tiny one here.
For a tiny one. Let's see what he can do with it. Bounces 0 times.
It's alright though.
Everyone just like,
Seth.
Alright, Mia provides Seth with another
I'm
rock.
gonna throw this flopper.
First he throws what he describes as a flopper. Let's see if it lives up to that name. And sure enough it does. 0 bounces.
Yeah.
Although considerably farther than all the others.
Yep.
Seth then prepares his next actual throw. Bounces once.
And one time. Yeah.
Although it was quite an interesting bounce.
Yeah.
To say the least.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Alright, he bounces it. Bounces a couple times there.
Yeah.
Almost 4 times.
Yeah.
This one's the last one.
Alright.
Alright, Seth prepares his final throw. Shakes his feet. Revs it up.
I gotta get it right.
Prepares a running start. Getting in the zone. Throws it. 1 time, 2 times.
Exploded in the